Hey everybody, I thought we would try us a new to me game. Unfortunately this is only the demo though, so I'm not sure how people are getting multiple parts out of it. But anyway, let's try us some, what is it? Death of Heat. Ooh, a train survival game. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, reading. I woke up in a lab, hooked up to machines and wires, not knowing who I am or where I am. The lab was silent and empty. I stumbled out of the building into a frozen wasteland. No life, no warmth, no hope. Just snow and rocks. There is a train track, the only thing that seems to lead somewhere. Could it take me to civilization, or at least to some answers? I'll follow these train tracks for now. So where am I going? Am I going that way? Or am I going down the hill here? Looks like I probably left that place. Let's go down this way. Can I run? Okay, I can run. There's my stamina. Can I jump? Okay, I can squat. Got it. There's my jump. Okay. I can zoom. Can I do any hitting? No? Does not seem that way. Alright, let's go down here. Boo. The habitat. Go to the control center. Okay, let's do that. Oh, over there. All right, let's go do that. Can I? There we go. Run. Can I? Let's see. Flashlight, R3. Okay. Blink. Well, that's not very fucking bright, is it? All right, let's get this shit turned on. Got it. Interact. Oh, interact. Okay, maybe I have to do them all to do it. No. Let's see here. Let's go up here. Turn on. Okay, I see. Another one over here. Turn on. Cool, I can save with that, and the lights are on. Let's turn that my headlamp off. Let's see. Let's do some lootin' tootin'. Read. Let's see, 5011 for a door. Okay. Yeah, la 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 la. We can save here, yes, but we're not gonna worry about that. Let's just. Is there stuff I can take? Hello, stuff I can take. Rest. Oh, door. Get the buttons at some point here. Can I? Oh. Take. Ah, okay. Was there anything in here I can grab? No. Down we go. Let's see here. How about here? Anything I can grab in here? It does not appear as though there is. Locked. Probably the key storage, right? So let's go, what was that? Dialogues. 5011. Okay. Let's go 50. 11. Oh, open sesame. Open. I'll take the stuff. I want all the stuff. Take. There we go. That's gonna get annoying. And I'll take that. And that. And is there anything else in here? Hello? Maybe? No? Ooh, how about below here? What are you? Oh, you're just a door. Okay then. Can anything go here? Nope. Alrighty, let's... Can I can take shadow breezes. I don't know what they are or what they're for, but we'll see. I guess let's grab everything. Everything. Using the body scanner. I don't want to do that right now. How about in here? What's in here? Ooh, energy drink. Mmm, tasty. Nada. Whites. These biogens were... Oh, okay. Well, craft. Drink. Takes a whole minute. Okay, well, we'll just wait for that. Can I do another one? Not enough shadow breeze. All right, well, while that's doing that, we'll check out this place right quick. Sorry to enter your home. Yeah. Did you guys, like, just fucking piss off as fast? Ooh, hi. Pretty. As fast as possible, because there's, like, nothing here. Read. Me, or maybe I'm just going to the wrong conclusion, right? Maybe everybody's just fine. They find a nice tropical planet to move to. They just forgot about us. They just completely forgot that they had us hooked up to some weird machinery or whatever we woke up from, right? It's just a coinkydink, a coincidence, a my fair lady of events. Nothing weird to see or happened. Everybody's moved to a nice tropical planet. They moved to the Hawaii of the universe. Or, pick. I can't just take the whole stack. I'll take it one at a time. Whatever. Let's see. Ooh, hi, Kai, the researcher. You got some research in here I can borrow? Because you're not going to fucking need it. Ooh, hi. Unlock blueprint. What'd I get? Engine tier 1 of 3. Okie dokie. Nothing else in here. Is this done? Kick my item. And I can't make... Okay, and let's go to the ossifer's room. Lena. Ooh, a battery. I'm sure I can use that for something. Like me. Looks like I have to power something. My suit, I'm assuming. Anyway, let's see here. What's going on? Is there something up here? Let's look up here. Hello. Anybody? Climb. What? That's. What the? Okay. Ah! I fall down. Up. Oh, okay. Up. Oh. I will take it all. Take it all. Okay, I can go more. Up. Apparently that's as far as I can go. Once we go in there and do the body scanner thingy, but I want to check out these places first. Can I just boink? Boink. Oh no! Oh. Okay, well. It seems as though falling down isn't going to kill me, which is probably good. Grab, no, I want, give me the glowy plant. there anything in here I can use? Oh, let's see. Another habitat. Is it the same? It looks like it's exactly the same, isn't it? Let's make... Do I have... Yep, make another one of those while we're waiting. Grab all the stuff out of here real quick. That looks like I should be able to use that for something. But I suppose not. Okay, moving on. Don't mind me, I'm just... Hi, Allie, whatever your name is. I'm just gonna keep taking your guys' stuff. Ooh, more research. 2 of 3 for the engine. Okay. Yeah, anything interesting? Take your... It looks like I'm almost full on my inventory, so... Maybe we'll do this and we'll go over to where the save is, or the train area. Well, what looks like the train area anyway. Can I take that? Yes, I can. And see about if I can make some storage or whatever to get rid of some of this shit out of my inventory. And go take a look at the other places real quick. Anybody? Anybody home? Nobody home? No one home? Let the lights on. Turn the lights off. Wasting all my electricity. And alright, so let's go. Let's go! Over here real quick. Got all that. Okay, that's a thingy. And there's another habitat, I think, over there, right? Oh, no space. Okie dokie. If there's no space, let's go. Boink. Open. And, ooh, more stuff. And we have a motor or engine or whatever. No space. Okay, fine. Charging the batteries. Okay. Oh, I have to use the battery to recharge it. Okay, so let's go. How do we go into my... Oh, nope. Just my inventory. Here we go. Inventory. Energy drink. Where's... Oh, there we go. Battery use. Use my battery. Okay. And then I can... Aha! I see. Gotta use it, then I can abuse it. Alright, let's see here. Okay, what we're doing. Oh, yeah. So there's my choo-choo train bottom. I got 2 whole cars to work with. Alright, so how... Build menu. Build menu. Windows corner. Window. There a solid window? Locomotive. So let's make an engine. Apparently I have all the stuff to make an engine. Okay. We will keep the engine and all that up front here, maybe? Or can I put that back here? Will it make a difference? Ah, fuck if I know. Let's try. Only build on the train. No shit. Let's go there. No engine component. Okay, so I need to make stuff. But first, let's... Where's the... Is this it? Can I save in here? Yeah, let's save real quick here. Empty wagons, sure. Saving. I am being saved. new game. That was nice. Okay, can I like that? Like that. Find engine components. What is that? A crafting station. Can I make engine components? No. Take. Oh, insufficient inventory. Yeah. So I'm missing engine components. What to do? Can I craft? Let's see. Oh, storage chest. Oh, there we go. Then take you. And let's put that up here. Yeah, up there's okay. Get rid of those. Put those in there, I guess. And let's see. Icicle ammo. Guess I don't really need to have that on me right now. And let's keep our battery. Keep our material, our smart material, and our tech scrap. I kind of think I might need that. And we'll go over. How? Where? How? I take you. Why can't I just take the whole stack? Can't just take the stack of this shit. Unlock ceiling. I might not want to do that. Let's see here. Hello. Take my battery back. There. Hey, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Jump. Anything over here? More material. Okay. I don't have space for it. Fucking really? Tech. Smart. No. Fine. Can I read? 2 of 3 found. That's nice. Engine component. And I still can't fucking use it because it. Ah! Alright, let's go back over here. Get rid of some more of this shit. Man, my inventory space is jacked. I have such a small inventory. Go ahead and throw those batteries in there. Throw the tech scrap in there for now. Alright, now can I go get this shit? Boing! I will take you first, because you're more important right now. And can I grab these now? No. No. Figures. Key latch. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing something that I forgot. Oh yes. Build. Locomotive. Oh. Motor. Rotate. And see if I can get that kind of fairly close to the center. Right there. Okay, so I gotta have a control panel. And I need to stuff out of the crafting thingy-majobber. Okay. Crafting screen using fabricator. Craft. Screen. I think I need a couple of these, right? Let's try that. Make my stuff. Future technology. I'm short. Well, I'm short an item. What am I short? No idea. Let's see here. What is that? Boink. Oh, oh, tech scrap. Okay. Bonk. Bonk. Make us another screen. And crap be the screen. Gimme. Gimme, gimme. Okay. Now, build engine screen. Power. Locomotive. Engine. Alright. So what do I need? I need other stuff. Okay. I need stuff. Oh, get out of there. I need... What is it I need? I need shadow breeze. What was... Shit, I'm lost now. Power, locomotive. What is that again? Tech? The techie shit? Can I make it in here? Can I make it in here? I can, so let's... Like one of those there. Wow, wow, wow. Come on. Longest 10 seconds ever. And make another one. Boom. Now, can I make my stuff? Engine screen. Oh, engine. There we go. Ooh, and it's even got. Oh, I like that. It's got the little arrow on it that tells me where the hell things are pointed at, so I don't have to sit there and guess. Right there, because I got another thing's gonna go right here, don't I? I'm willing to bet they're about the same size, so let's place you there. Boom. Ooh, magical. Okay, build a power screen. Locomotive. Power screen. So how far? That's just kind of barely away from there. You gotta get it at least kind of close. I can't do this whole things being all out of wonky shit. And yeah, right there I think should be okay. Now I'll make some walls and shit. Okie dokie. Alright, I'm digging that. I'm digging that. Let's make us a little area here to be. Let's see here. Can I... Window corner. I'm trying to build on the train. I'm trying to. Let me build. Oh, let me, come on. Am I too far back? Or too far? Oh, let's try that. Can I do... I can't build right there? Okay, is there a different one I can use? Try that one. Am I too far forward? Oh. I'm too far forward with the stupid... Ah, shit. Can I move these? Do I have to kind of... Do I get my stuff back? So let's put our window down first. Put that down first. Can we? Okay. Can I, is there just a regular glass wall window? Okay. And then we'll... Now can I? Okay. Let's get that right on there. Bada bing. And a power screen. Get that right on that little edge there. Bada boogie bing. Okay. All right. Now we can see out front of us here. Ooh, I'm out of power, so I need to use my battery, which is in there. Right? Yeah, there it is. Use. So one of the batteries fills me halfway up. Okay. Pick. 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 Boom. Sure. I have plenty of windows up front so I can see where I'm going. We'll do... Is that box in the way? Oh, okay. So I can only put the window in one way. I like that. It doesn't do... I can't screw that up too bad. Can we get... There we go. Boom. Alright, let's get out of that. Yeah, we'll call that decent for there. Plus a wall here, and a wall here, and a door. And, a roof. A roofy roof roof. A roofy roof? Yeah. Let's use some battery. I will do that. While we're waiting on the two, let's go and recharge that. Oh, wait, still charging. Okay, fine. And let's see here. Build mode. Wall corner. Yeah, let's do a regular wall corner. That'll work. Rotate. Rotating. Get rotated, bastards. Right there. Bada bing. And let's see here. Rotate. Not enough material. I need more. Oh, got it. Need more material. Don't have any regular material, huh? All right. Sure. I guess we'll have to try and find some. Let's go look over here. What is that? Open sesame. What are you? What are you doing? Scrapper, friendly drone that scraps things. Okay. Can I take from you? Hi. Oh, hi. How are you doing here? Ooh, 21. I'll take that shit. Although I don't want to hit the fucking take button 21 times. Why can't... Is there just a take all button? I'm not... Take all. Left trigger. Boom. At the top of the screen. Like a moron. Wow, I can run. Oh, okay. Now let's do that. Where is the corner wall there? And oh, no, not what I meant to do. Wall, rotate a place. Very nice. Very, very nice. And then we will, the door. There a door. Ceiling, stairs, door. Oh, bottom there. D for duh and door. Rotate. You gonna get right in there? Good job. All right. Not enough material. Figures. What do I need that I'm missing? Oh, techie shit. Can I don't have any in here, right? Do I? Nope. Okay, let's go make a a few techie parts that I'm probably gonna need. Craft. Smart materials. I can't just do more than one at a time. There's probably a way to do this, and I'm not saying it, as per usual. Oh, no, no. Not what I wanted, but whatever. I'll probably use it later. Screw it. Keep it. Sure, and I'll just go straight to that second spot. So if I'm in a hurry, I'm going to end up crafting shit I don't want multiple times during this. Oh, well. That. Okay, now can I make it the door? I can make my door a door. Boink. Let's get that right there. Ooh. Open sesame. Got us a nice little place to be in case it gets chilly. Let's make floor corner, ceiling edge, ceiling corner. Boom. Oh, okay, that automatically kind of does it anyway. Place that there. Place that one there. Oh. Shit. Not there. Can I rotate this the right way? Oops. So let's take out that one. And then make another ceiling corner there. And boom. Is that all copacetic? Ah. No, it's not. So I need to move that one. Oops. So that one. Put the round edge over there. Okay. So let's do ceiling corner again. We build a little closer to me. Why can't I? Up there? Is there a... I can't... I'm out of building area, no shit. There it goes. Boom. Now are we good? Okay, looks like we are golden there. Alright. So let's grab my batteries over here. And oh, do I have the battery to charge? And we will grab that. And we will use that. There's some power. Okay, now let's go exploring a little bit. Find some more shit again. And I want to go in here. Hi, can I borrow your unlock blueprint? What did I get? Dynamo. Okay. I'll check that out here in a second. Actually, what is... Oh, what did you drop? No. Do not want to drop all my hard-earned materials and shit. No. I'll take that back. Thank you very much. Let's try that again. Dialogue. Log entry. Oh, I guess we'll figure it out later. And I'm gonna go up there. So let's, before we explore down here, let's go up here. Keep up the good work, Mr. Robot. A workstation, huh? Okay, well, let's see here. Reading. Read. Okay, I'm done. And let's see here. Ooh, another battery. I'll take another battery. Let's... Oop, wrong button. Go ahead and use said little battery. No, damn it, wrong button. Give me my battery back. Use. There we go. And nothing in here. Nothing else. Alrighty, let's move on. How about over here? You got anything good for me in the storage room? Oh, how do I? Oh yeah. Forgot how to turn my light on for a second there. Take all. No. Take all. And no space. How do I not have... Oh, okay, there it goes. That's just messed up. Alright, anyway, let's grab it. Do I have... Take all? Ah, no, take all. Oh, take all. Yeah, wrong. I got my L and my R confused. A physician... Let's turn that off before I kill my battery. Hello, I need a doctor. There's a sore on my butt. I sat on an icicle and I don't think it was a good idea. Hello, I need doctor. I need Dr. Hands to make me feel better. No Dr. Hands. Okay, fine. There's not even anything medical like in here anyway. Energy drink. I'll just take that. Can I? Forgot how to talk. Let's drink that. How much does that give me? A quarter's worth of Stamina, huh? Okay. Oh, hello, Mr. Robo. Long time no see. How are you again? Hello, hi, hi, hi. Not a big talker, huh? Where do you go to do your... Oh. Okay. So... Are you, like, scrapping these things? Hey, I'm trying to talk to you. It's lonely out here. There's no one here to talk to. Wilson! Come back, Wilson! Wilson! Okay, now... What do I need? I need 2 of the smart thingies again. Okay. 1 and 2. Bada bing, bada boom, shalla boogie boogie. We're gonna put that in here, in this corner over here. Yeah, why not? Power generator. Rotate the hell out of that. Can I not angle that this way? It's gotta be square. Oh, that's kind of dumb. And right, get in the corner there, right there. All right. So how do I? Drain power is full. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of my inventory here and gather up. Oops. Grab our battery out of here. We will use the set battery. Yep. Put that back in there. All right. Now I'm going to explore, maybe see if I can find some more materials. Or I might just be cheesy. Just sit by this box for a few minutes. How much is in here now? Yeah. I might just chill right here for a bit and gather a bunch of materials or fill one of those boxes up full of materials before I take off. Maybe. Don't know yet. I guess we'll see. Okay, so waiting for a little robo friend there for Wilson to fill this little box up. It's just taking forever. But while I waited for him to do something, I went and checked out that array over there for the solar shit. And there's nothing over there. I went out and about in the wasteland of nothing to find and see if there's just... Is that a halo? Okay, whatever. To see if there's a cave or something interesting out there, and there is not. So, we got the door open. Let's get on our... Let's grab our battery. Do we have a battery in here? No? Okay, they're all charged up. All right, let's, yep. Hop on a choo-choo and get a choo-chooing. Interact. Oh. Turn on. Okay. Oh, we're going... Oh, 87. Come on, stop at 88. Really? I guess. Look around here. What do we got going on here? Indoor lights on, outdoor lights on. We don't need to turn any lights on. Going choo-chooing. Goodbye, first whatever. Oh. Forecast a storm. It's forming. The temperature will drop, okay. Low? Can I use this while we're driving? Oh. Okay, I get it. Do I have to manually stop this? Yeah, looks like it. Okay, so... Turn off? Can I get it? Do I get lined up just right? Stop. Oh, okie dokie. There we go. Alright, what am I at for power? I'm 82 out of 500, so I'm gonna do the zippy zappy. Okay, so just turning it one time gives me power. Okay. Doesn't give me a lot of power, does it? But it's something. Alright, so I believe we're gonna go ahead and call this episode here. And, let's go back inside of our little abode here. Gonna call this episode here, and next time we will explore this little area here and move on. Maybe. Yeah. Anyway, do me the giant favor of liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting below, and I, as usual, see you boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and next time, have yourselves a great, wonderful, and prosperous day. Bye-bye.